Hey, how's it going today, guys? So another day, another dollar mining Bitcoin, right? So let's get right into it. So 822.34 terahashes is still what I'm rolling with. My discount is 11.64% because I did it again. I forgot to click that service button, and I may have done it 2 days in a row. So that does stink. So let's go right over to that really quick. So you will see it did go down a lot. So definitely making a little bit less. So I clicked the first service earlier, then I clicked this other one right at 8 p.m. when that switched back over. Let's go right over to my dashboard. So you will see that I've made $2,944 in Bitcoin so far, and I am holding the majority of that Bitcoin. And my words do change there a little bit, and there is a reason. So as you guys can see, I am now holding $472 of USDC, and that is because some of the people I follow are saying that Bitcoin is going to go down in price. So I was thinking, since I'm basically running out of the extra funds for the miner on June 10th, why not start trying to trade that and see if I can get those funds to last a little bit longer, because the more profit I can make, the better off I am. So let's go back over into the rewards a little bit. So you will see that I am right at 39,000 sats now. So you got to think when I started, when I got up to 822.34 terahashes originally, I was getting 35,000 like 500 sats. So this definitely is a very big increase for not having to put any more money in. So definitely pretty cool there. Let's go over. Oh, if you guys can like and subscribe to my channel, definitely check it out. So I have some old DoorDash content, but these days it's all about go mining, and then I'm starting to do some cell phone mining, cloud computing, that kind of thing. I have some videos on that. Channel has been growing a lot. I definitely do appreciate the support. So and then this is the referral if you are interested in, or you can scan this with your phone, or you can go in the description and click the link down there. So let's get back into it. So this is a Go Mining calculator website. So I already inputted my data, my 822.34 terahashes. Um, it looks like it looks like I'm actually getting 48 Satoshis. So that's crazy because I swear I used to get like 43. So that's a pretty big increase, like a 12% or so increase since I first upgraded. So it looks like my earnings were $31.65. And then I had the cost of electricity and service, which is paid for in advance up to June 10th, as I was saying. So I like to do this. So even if so 1209, I mean, that's decent, but that's not really my focus. 12.09 times 30. So it looks like from Bitcoin, I'm getting $362 a month in profit. I'm going to do a rough estimate with my Go Mining token reward here. And my estimate's going to be pretty close, within 5 or 10%. So I'm getting right around like 43 tokens a week. And then it looks like Go Mining tokens right around 0.30, 30 cents. So we can do that. So that's $12.90. We can divide that by 7, and then we get so that's $1.84 a day, and then we can times that by 30. So you'll see that I'm also making $55 a month in rewards from having Go Mining token locked. So then I could just add this if I really wanted to, 55.28, to figure out like my total profit that I made, that I'm going to be making in 30 days at this rate. So that's definitely pretty decent. But that's not like the number that I'm aiming for. So, I've shown you guys in a few of these videos, I like to go to the profit projection, and I like to put in realistic numbers. So let's just put in like not even all-time high, just 120,000 Bitcoin. So you will see that at that amount that I'll be making in profit $27.81 per day, and that will be basically from the whole time that I've been saving all of this Bitcoin now. Since I am getting more Satoshis, I'm getting about, I think, like 3,000 more sats per day from the Bitcoin difficulty decreasing, those days aren't going to be worth 31.65, but they're going to be worth 29, $30, so still a decent amount. So since I'm holding the majority of those days, I will be able to sell and hit these types of profit levels. And then I'm also on top of that, since I am holding, since I am paying this cost in USD, that I'm holding the amount in Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up to $120,000, I'm also going to be making profit off of that 1955. So if that 1955 was like, I don't know the math. So Bitcoin's 80,000 right now. So 120. So what is that? 40, 50%. So if I just did 19.55, 19.55, then I times that by zero point 0.4, so 40%, we'll get $7.82. So that what that means is on top of making my $27.81 a day in profit, I'll also make a return of $7.82 from the electricity and maintenance that I'm paying in USD. So then this is where like the math gets kind of crazy, because we're not even, remember, we're not even talking about like Bitcoin above the all-time high. We're talking about 120K. So then I can do so we'll go right over here. Sorry, I'm clicking the wrong button. 2781. So 27.81 plus 782. And then we'll times that by 30. So I'll be making $1,000.68 per month in profit from holding my Bitcoin, as long as I hold it to 115,000 or 120,000. I did just go over how I did sell a little bit of my Bitcoin. So this is to do a trade. So what I'm hoping is, because a lot of people are saying Bitcoin's going to go down, like it still might go down to low 70s, 60s again, maybe even 50s, if the bear market does last till October or November, like they're saying. But I'm not going to hedge all my money towards there. But I figured like Bitcoin was up, so I sold right around 81, but I got hit with the fees and all that. So I think they got me at like 79,000 Bitcoin. So basically, what I'm hoping is to hold on to this, and I'm either going to be spending this money on Bitcoin, and I'll send it off of this platform though. I'll probably buy it over at Coinbase, and then I'll just like hold it over in Coinbase or whatever. But I'm gonna either be buying Bitcoin at a lower price, or I'm gonna wait till Go Mining token drops to like 28 cents again, and I'm just gonna spend it all on Go Mining token, just to kind of try to make a little bit of a return. Um, because the thing that's cool about Go Mining is it seems like you can really make money off of multiple different things. You can make money off investing in your energy. You can make money off of just Bitcoin mining. You can make money off of locking in tokens. You can make money off of maintenance discounts. So you can make money off of letting people borrow your money with the liquidity. I don't know too much about that. I might look into that now that my stack's getting a lot bigger. But for the majority, it's just like I want to be holding on to all my Bitcoin for when Bitcoin goes up. So I am going to be, so since I did take that 472 out, this is definitely going to be going to my storage. So I'm going to be adding another $433 there. Then I believe the rest of the money until June 10th is just going to be straight Bitcoin. I don't think I'm going to have to do another trade. I'm hoping Bitcoin goes down, like they're saying, because if it goes down, that means more people are going to shut off their miners. We're going to get more Satoshis. But what sucks is if Bitcoin goes down, like what they're saying, the profit that I see, like seeing that I'm making 12, because I'm making $12.10, and that's not a lot, but a month or two ago, I was making like $6 a day in profit. So that's a lot better than $6 a day. But that's what would suck, is to see myself back at $6 a day, maybe see myself at $4 a day. That would really suck. I definitely prefer to see myself more up at these levels. But I am hoping I have some time to accumulate before we hit those levels because it would be cool. It would be cool if I had like $6,000 of Bitcoin I could sell and also be holding on to like four, five, $6,000 as well of Bitcoin. So that's kind of my goal, guys. But again, like and subscribe to the channel. Definitely appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna be trying to post a little bit more content. Hopefully my microphone is doing better now. I don't know what's going on. I'm not an audio expert. I know a decent amount about computers, how to fix them, but I am not a sound guy. Um, yeah. But yeah, guys, thanks. Peace.